Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an item as sold on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you sold an item on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and mark it as sold so that no one else messages you about that product? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to do this is that first you want to go ahead and log into your OfferUp account. Next, you want to go ahead and click on listings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and find the listing that you want to go ahead and mark as sold. So we're just going to go ahead and mark this right here as sold. So let me find one listing. So we're going to go ahead and click on this Japanese card sleeves. So you want to go ahead and click on the product that you want to mark as sold. And then from here, you want to click on the mark as sold button on the left-hand side. And notice how that there is a tooltip that says this can't be undone. Only do this if you've actually sold the item, either on OfferUp or elsewhere, and then click on continue. So if you mark it as sold, you'll actually see that you can actually select a user who actually bought this item, or you can select on sold it somewhere else where it says I didn't sell on OfferUp. So we're just going to choose that option and then click on confirm. Now once you've marked it as sold, you'll see that it's now been marked as sold as a label, and it has been removed from the listings on OfferUp so that no one else can message you about it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark an item as sold on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.